Hello and welcome. My name is Maksim Kharitonov and I am the founder and lead expert at the Human Rights, an international agency that prepares expert witness reports for asylum cases worldwide. We specialize in human rights-based risk assessment, covering all 5 grounds under the Refugee Convention, including political opinion, religion, ethnicity, membership of a particular social group, and nationality. Our reports are trusted by lawyers, courts, and immigration authorities in the United Kingdom, the United States, Canada, and across Europe. Today I will focus on Mexico and the types of risks that lead many of its citizens to seek asylum in the UK and the US. While Mexico is a democracy with a formal rule of law, it faces a deep security crisis driven by widespread violence, impunity, and corruption. Criminal cartels and armed groups control large parts of the country and frequently target civilians, journalists, human rights defenders, and public officials. Victims of threats, extortion, kidnapping, or forced recruitment often have no access to effective state protection, particularly in rural or cartel-controlled areas. Women and girls face high levels of gender-based violence, including femicide, sexual assault, and domestic abuse. The justice system often fails to investigate or prosecute such crimes, leaving victims exposed to repeat violence and retaliation. LGBT individuals, especially transgender women, face severe discrimination, police abuse, and targeted killings, with most crimes going unpunished. Hate crimes and social exclusion remain common, particularly outside major cities. Indigenous communities and environmental defenders are also under threat, facing land seizures, state neglect, and attacks from both state and non-state actors. Returnees, especially those who fled cartel violence or corruption, may be at renewed risk upon arrival, particularly if they are seen as informants, former residents of high-risk areas, or individuals who exposed abuses. So how do we prepare expert witness reports? We start with a full review of the case materials, including personal statements, supporting documents, and any previous decisions. Then we move on to in-depth research using both international and local credible sources. We combine real-time data with our knowledge of legal systems, government practices, and the specific patterns of abuse in each region. Each report is written by a dedicated country expert and reviewed by our team of legal researchers and analysts to make sure everything is clear, accurate, and relevant to the case. The final report is prepared to meet the standards of the immigration system and courts in the country where the asylum claim is made, whether that's the United Kingdom, the United States, Canada, or any country in Europe. We also use proper legal referencing, so every fact is backed by clear and trusted sources. If you're working on an asylum case right now and you want to strengthen it with solid expert evidence, just get in touch with us today. It's really easy. Just head to our website. The link is in the video description. You can also scan the QR code on your screen or email us directly at info@thehuman-rights.com. And when you reach out, you'll receive a sample report, the expert's CV, and a free consultation. We respond to all inquiries within 1 hour and deliver each report within 1 week. We also work at the minimum rate accepted under legal aid, so our services are accessible even for publicly funded cases. Our team is ready to prepare expert reports for countries across the globe. You can find the full list of regions we cover right there on our website. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to supporting your next asylum case with the clarity, credibility, and professionalism you or your clients deserve.